Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a fabulous day today. So I'm just recording myself to checking my presentation skills, like where I'm expecting myself. So because I have uploaded multiple videos while sitting, and today I just want to upload video just standing and just see like how it works, because from one of my friends I've learned that I have basically told by him that you should need to basically record your videos while standing, because that is how you can able to improve more, because this is also a very effective method which public speakers do most of the time, and by that you can basically like give energy to a lot of peoples who are like watching you and listening to you. Basically this is the basically thing why that you are creating a aura in front of you. If you are standing and you are delivering some sort of things, so you should need to be have a confident, and so these all things basically matters to me, and that is why I'm just doing the practice of these particular skills as well. So while standing, I'm feeling something different, because if I'm sitting and that time my mind is basically not working that much that I want to do basically, and this is also a big part. If something wants to do, then he can basically do that. And apart from this, as I already told you in previous videos, where I have just told you about like writing down some sort of goals which you want to achieve in upcoming year, because that is how you are going to work on yourself, because nowadays working on yourself is very most important part, because if you are not working, then in the end of your life or some sort of time where you are struggling, and that time you will find out uh, very desolated, or you can say very stressed, because you haven't prepared for that outcome. So always basically have some sort of space where you can basically search which are the things you can improve, and which are the activities you can do to utilize your time basically. So I hope you basically found this video helpful. So I do have a multiple videos on English language. You can watch my videos. From there you can find out some sort of confidence. That is what I am going to be here, because if you once you got a confidence and you have a consistency on your work, so one day eventually you will become that person, but whatever you want basically. So yeah, and other part is that visualizing yourself and copying what other peoples are doing, that is also most important, because they have already achieved that, and so after achieving that they are at that certain level, so you should need to be basically copy them. So this is very a big part. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm going to basically record myself standing and just seeing like how can I basically do my extra effort, and how can I put a lot of things which can help people a lot. So on this note, I'm completing this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.